Hi, EDCI 701 candidates, my doctoral dissertation advisees. I hope you're well. I hope that you have some time to think and read and write about your possible dissertation topics. And again, if you're just exploring some topics and doing some reading this semester, that's all good. I have something new for you to take a look at in week 8. Again, you should be exploring your readings and your topics of interest, but you need to explore TaskStream, your electronic portfolio, and use TaskStream. Look for a login and password that you should have gotten in your Gardner Web email from a fellow named Seth Oprea, O-P-R-E-A. Looks like opera, it's not. Seth would have sent you a login and password for TaskStream. So again, that's the big deal for this week. I closed this progress update, but what I do want you to do is find and try logging into password to TaskStream and listing your potential topics. You've already created a list of possible or potential topics, loading it here in TaskStream. So when I go to TaskStream, this is what I see, and it's going to be different for you, but log in and sign up. And Watermark is the parent company that has bought TaskStream, but when you get to the Watermark page, here is TaskStream, and you want to log in there. Here is where you will need to put your individual login and password. And you're going to use this for 6 semesters, so become accustomed to TaskStream and the things that you're going to need to load here. But step 1 is to find your sign-in and password, and maybe change those, but get them from Seth if you have not already. When I sign in, I see a million different folios and folders because I have to go in and read a whole bunch of different ones. You should only have a couple of different folios, and one of them should say C&I Fall 2018. That's you. So when you go in there, again, this is not what you're going to see. You're going to see it divided by semesters and by evidences and by the items that you will submit here. And think of it simply as an electronic portfolio or file drawer. Some of you, if you've done graduate work at Gardner Web or elsewhere, are going to be familiar with TaskStream. If you're not, your task this week is to explore it and find your way in here and see if you can upload a list of potential topics. But I'm not going to take points off if you don't get it in this week. This is not a must-do this week. This is do it if you can. And try to get into TaskStream and see if you can do that as your assignment this week. Okay, have a great time. Call me or write if you're having trouble with this. Thank you.